Fredericton ground, helicopter Golf Kilo Victor Hotel. Information, Mike.
Golf Kilo Victor Hotel, Fredericton ground, good day. Kilo Victor Hotel ground.
Kilo Victor Hotel.
Kilo Victor Hotel ground, say your intention.
Taking off from maritime helicopter, heading southeast to Sussex at 600.
Kilo Victor Hotel ground, roger. Squawk 1236, wind 340 at 7, altimeter 3032. Contact tower ready for liftoff 1190.
Squawk Kilo Victor Hotel, squawk 1236.
Kilo Victor Hotel, just confirm the call tower 1190, please.
Roger. Kilo Victor Hotel, taking off from maritime helicopter.
Kilo Victor Hotel tower, roger. Take off for your discretion. Fly directly southbound along the river for now. I do have IFR traffic inbound. I need to get you south of the approach to 27, please. So just follow the river southbound.
Roger.
Kilo Victor Hotel tower, remain over the river southeastbound. I do have IFR traffic inbound for 27. Dashboard 2303, watch the start the base turn. There will be helicopter traffic at your 12 o'clock for about 7 miles just south of the approach 27, no conflict, 600 feet.
Okay, check remarks, 2303.
Kilo Victor Hotel tower, heading restrictions cancelled, change to honored frequency, have a good flight.
Kilo Victor Hotel going up to 2000, southeast to Sussex, Fredericton.